Still believes Lakers are going.
Let's say something cool.
Do you know? Oh my god, I'm in a masturbate right now.
What? Narrator.
Turn that shit off.
Turn that shit off. Selector. Off. 1. Narrator. On.
Oh, that's on.
2 of 2.
What?
Off. 1 of 2.
Alright, it's another day. Working on the EG. Found a brake pedal for $250 on Facebook Marketplace. I've been trying at a month. That's why there's been barely any content around it, because I'm struggling with parts right now. And yeah, going on a little long drive for it, and I'll update you guys when I get the part. If I get the part. If I don't die. Alright. And if you guys are just wondering, yes, it was the brake pedal. I legit just need the brake pedal, have the clutch and everything, automatic. So we had to switch it out to the manual one. The thing is, no one was fucking selling these anywhere, and for the past 2 months I was waiting, and I've just been texting random people, hey, do you have this, have that, no, or they just don't reply. But this guy did. He charged me a little bit extra, I'm not gonna lie, but hey, at least we got a fucking pedal now, so I'm gonna install that. New engine bay. I just cleaned it, that's pretty much it. But it's still waiting on the transmission still, so we'll wait on that. And then after that, bad boy's ready to put a B series in. Menace is back on the road, baby. Alright, I'll do this real quick. Alright, what's going on? Gonna be picking up the transmission today. An hour drive, and it's like 7 in the morning. So we'll do that and then connect to the block. Hopefully it stops raining soon so we can do it. But yeah, I'll update you guys on the way. Truck on the way.
Yeah, but you know what the tow truck symbolises? It symbolises our broken ass lives being towed around everywhere because we can't afford to fix our cars.
And 2 hours later, we're back, and we're back with the transmission. It's fixed, everything's done with it. Just gonna quickly touch it up. Hopefully we can put it on today, see how it goes. But I'll show you. Don't worry about that. Just respraying it, you know. It may have cracked off, welded it, and yeah, so. But yeah, so there we go. No hole in it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. Change the slave because the nipple fell off. And yeah, do that. Change the sensor towards it here because I accidentally may have perhaps snapped off. Put everything together that needs to go in this transmission, and then hopefully from there we'll just put it in, and then hopefully we can drop it tomorrow if it doesn't rain. As 2 full weeks go past of just buying parts, I was determined to get this build finished. Well, not exactly finished, but get the motor in the chassis and hopefully start it. Well, anyways, in Melbourne, everyone knows, especially if you live in Australia, in Victoria, we have the most bipolar weather on planet Earth. It just can be sunny, raining, hailing, it could be any of them in one day. We have 4 seasons in one day. And for the last 2 weeks, it's been nothing but raining, sunny, but then back to raining. Yeah, it definitely didn't cost $300. It costed a little more. Morning, everyone. You're probably wondering, or no one's probably wondering, but at the same time, I haven't uploaded anything because, or no contents, no shorts, nothing. Legit, I've just been waiting on parts, and finally everything came through. But anyways, we got the tasty B series together, transmissions together to the block. Just don't worry, you know. Don't worry about that. It's just stuff, but we're having problems with the connection. We don't know which alternator plugs into where. Hopefully, by the time this video gets uploaded, we know which one goes into where. So we'll probably just drop the engine in and then we'll just change it over the way. Anyways, I decided to upgrade the throttle body at the same time because the sensor's fucked and you just gotta like rivet it out and stuff like that. Like I just can't be bothered, so just upgrade it all at once. Getting a phone call. Hello, sir.
Hello, Benham.
What's going on?
So what are you doing?
Just dropping a motor in today.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah, sort of.
You're gonna drop a motor in this weather?
Oh, I've got no other choice.
What do you mean?
Ain't no way it started to rain. The one problem we were facing when we were moving the engine crane on ground, which you probably shouldn't do, but we work with what we got, is that it kept sinking into the ground and the ground was still a little bit wet, so we were just dragging it against mud. But however, we pushed through. We got the engine dropped in, and in the update, this is how it went. Engine's ready to get dropped into, we're going to do that now. Last time we picked up the camera, camera's almost dead, that's the thing. Anyways, so the B series is somewhat in. Yeah, just don't worry about the mount. The mount's a bit how you going, you know. But yeah, so we'll finish this off and hopefully the camera doesn't die. Alright, quick update. We are fucking stuck because we don't understand this. Just like, it's weird. This sits too far forward, and then this mount here sits fine, but like, I don't... Last car, I'm switching the bikes after this. Had enough. It's tired. I have work tomorrow. It's Devil's EG. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the transmission mount out, so we'll be back at it next weekend, which hopefully will be in the next video, which should be soon. Will just be us just trying to fix the engine, and we're going to get this thing started and probably moving. Sorry for the delays on videos or any content around. I know I'm trying to pursue this more. I'm really interested in doing more into YouTube, but it's just really hard when everything just doesn't line up in your way, and it's been a really slow month within parts and everything. Hope anyone or whoever's watching understands, but we'll be back at it, and the Torgo videos will be back.